Good morning, class. Today we are going to discuss the second identity in trigonometry. We will start with the same thing, a triangle ABC, right angled at B, and this angle is theta. For this angle theta, this will be perpendicular, this will be base, and this will be hypotenuse. These things, sine theta is equal to P upon H, these things you already have written, keep that in front of you. Now, in the previous lecture what we did, we have written the Pythagoras theorem. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. And in the previous lecture we divided it with AC square. But now we will be dividing it with BC square. After dividing, what you will get, AB upon BC whole square plus BC upon BC whole square plus AC upon is equal to AC upon BC whole square. Now AB upon BC is tan theta. So tan square theta. BC cancels with BC, it comes out to be 1, and AC upon BC is secant theta. So secant square theta. This is our second identity. Tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta. From here you can get tan square theta. Tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. And the last, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Again I am telling you, keep this identities wherever you have written these identities in front of you while solving the question. Now coming to the question, 2 upon cos square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Taking left hand side, what you have? 2 upon cos square theta minus 2 tan square theta. Now we have already discussed in the previous video that 1 upon cos square theta, we have sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Now here we have 1 upon cos square theta, then 2 secant square theta minus 2 tan square theta. Anything common from this? 2 is common. Taking 2 common, what you will get? Secant square theta minus tan square theta. Now what is the value of this? Secant square theta minus tan square theta. Here this is equal to 1. So this is equal to 2 into 1 comes out to be, here 2 will come. Comes out to be 2. Hence proved. Here 2, make a correction, here 2 is there. So this is how we are going to use this identity. Now keep this page in front of you while solving the question.